I just bought this TRS-80 Model 4 at Vintage Computer Festival Midwest. Never used one before, so just trying to get an idea. Turns out there's a few problems with it, but got them sorted out.
Yeah, that reefer cap is hosed. Yikes. Not sure what this plug goes to. And it looks like there's some kind of mod back here. I don't know what that is. Yeah. That one really blew at some point. Took this guy out too. I'm just doing a little work on the power supply here. I got a cap kit from Console 5 for this, just because they're fast and easy and I like them. Comes with all the power supply caps. Almost halfway done now, maybe-ish. So, we'll see how that goes. Little inspirational video playing. But, yeah. New reefers are installed already. Actually, they're over here. There it is. There's one. There's the other. So, yeah. That one was completely blown to hell. So hopefully this will last a while after this. Okay. New capacitors. Here we go. There we go. Keyboard's plugged in. Retrace lines came back. There we go. And this shift key was bad, so I used this one more than this one. So I took this key out. It's completely trash. Rubber dome doesn't make any contact. And I kind of broke it taking it apart. But I got a new one sent to me. And this one seems to work. So I'll solder that in. And I think we should have a working system. That's all been recapped. And yeah, I was getting a couple of keys that weren't working after I removed the switch, A, Q, Y, and I. And then I figured it was weird since they were working, so I jumped these two pins, since usually they're connected with the switch installed, and it started working again. So that's what that was after I tested continuity on the ribbon cable. So that was good. So hopefully everything should be working after this key is soldered in. And yeah. Don't close it with the power turning on. Yeah, working good now. It's the disc that came with it. There we go. Working great. No. Oh, I'm playing with one hand, so yeah, working great now.